Hi everybody, I wanted to give you a high level overview of an app that I created and how and what it's used for. The client was getting married and wanted to include a QR code in their wedding invitation that guests would scan to RSVP. And he wanted to do this because he wanted the information to go into Salesforce so he could customize what you're seeing right now, which is a dashboard, who's coming and their choices. You can do this and create it like a Google form and then send it to a spreadsheet and then take the information from the spreadsheet and send it over to Salesforce. The problem with that is then every time somebody puts information on the form, you got to keep doing that, and it doesn't automatically populate. So what we were trying to solve is how to get it automatically populated. And this is a person that didn't have their own website. So the way we did it is I created a free website. You can see over here on wix.com, and made sure that I went over and created a lead process. There's a few other things you have to do. But after all that was done and the record page and everything, I was able to go to web to lead. This is a form that will create an HTML code from the values that you select. So we wanted to get certain values. Let's see if I did make another video if you want to watch, and capture them. We put that form into the website here. You can see the back end. It doesn't look real pretty. Salesforce, the forms just don't look that good, but people were able to scan it. Then as soon as they enter their information and hit submit, it automatically populates into salesforce.org. So you can see up here, I've created a custom tab called Table Assignments, and then the RSVP is that lead tab, which you can rename a custom tab. So when the RSVPs come in, they automatically populate here, and you can create table assignments. And when you finish your process, let's pop this open for you, the new lead process created up here, you can convert them. Now, when you convert them, anytime you convert a lead, it changes to a contact, an account, and an opportunity if you wish. We wanted to save this information, so our contact we renamed to guests. So once we converted them, we have the guests, and here we were able to include how is this guest related. If we open up this one, we put that up here at the compact layout, and here's all the information. And the accounts were renamed as families. So we have all these families that are attending. We were able to make reports and dashboards, and it's very easy for the client to open up the dash or the home page here, which I put it on, refresh, and see where it looks like we have a couple more RSVPs and where things are for the wedding. At the end, the best part was they could export the information of all the guests and print out labels to send thank you cards. There are a couple other little things that we did, like sent out auto responses when someone RSVP'd, depending on their answer, yes or no, they're going to attend, they would get an email. The client is also going to send out an email to the attendees 7 days before the event with some last minute information and a reminder. Now you can watch this full video of all the details on how I did every single step, and I'll link that at the bottom.